Implants are a common and reliable method of replacing the missing teeth and improve smiles of patients. There are many different kinds of dental implants that are available that each have their particular advantages and disadvantages. In this clip, we'll explore the different kinds of dental implants as well as provide specific information about how they could enhance the functional and look of your dental teeth. 1. Traditional implants. The traditional dental implant is the most commonly used kind of implants used by dentists. They comprise an implant made of titanium, which is surgically placed in the jawbone. There, it is used as tooth root that is damaged tooth. When the implant is fused with bone, the crown is connected to the end of the screw in order to complete the repair. The traditional implants are well known for their stability and strength. They are a good choice for replacement of one or several missing teeth. They also can help to prevent tooth loss as well as maintain the overall structure of the jaw. 2. Mini implants. Mini implants are the smallest model of the traditional implant that have a diameter smaller than 3 millimeters. These implants are commonly utilized in instances in which there's insufficient bone mass to hold a traditional implant or when the patient doesn't want to undergo an invasive surgery. Mini implants are easy to put in and need shorter healing times than conventional implants. They're a great choice for those who need minimal tooth replacements or for stability of dentures. 3. All-on-4 implants. All-on-4 implants offer a novel treatment option for patients that suffer from loss of all teeth in either of their jaws. This procedure involves putting 4 implants at a certain location in the jawbone to ensure a complete dental arch. Implants with all-on-4 offer a variety of advantages they offer, such as faster treatment times, fewer requirements for bone grafting, as well as increased stability in comparison to conventional dentures. These implants offer patients a secure and natural-looking teeth, allowing them to eat, communicate, and smile confidently. 4. Implant-supported dentures. Implant-supported dentures can be described as a hybrid that offers the advantages of dental implants as well as traditional dentures. It involves attaching a pair of dentures to a number of implants. This provides greater security and strength for dentures to be replaced. Implant-supported dental dentures have better chewing capability, decrease the loss of bone, as well as improved aesthetics when compared with traditional dentures. Implant-supported dentures are the best choice for patients searching for a safer and comfortable solution for replacing their teeth. 5. Zygomatic implants. Zygomatic implant is a specific kind of implant employed in instances that there's insufficient bone density in the upper jaw for implants of the conventional type. Instead of being placed inside the jawbone, these implants are secured to the cheekbone, zygoma, and provide secure foundations for new teeth. Zygomatic implants are a non-invasive and minimally surgical alternative for bone grafting and could be used to aid in the full arch of restorations. They are quick to show results and are a good choice for patients who suffer from extreme bones loss or anatomical limitation. There are many different kinds of dental implants that are available, and each one has its particular advantages and disadvantages. Implants that are traditional, mini implants, all-on-4 implants, implant-supported dentures, and the zygomatic implant are only some of the choices available to patients for restoring their smile and boost their dental well-being. If you're thinking about implant dentistry, it's crucial to talk to an experienced dentist in order to decide on the right procedure for your individual desires and needs. Be aware that implants for dental purposes are an ongoing commitment to your oral health. It is therefore crucial to pick the appropriate model of implant to ensure you have a natural and functional smile for many years to come.